Bitcoin Cycle Update, February 25th, 2026. Fourth 80-day cycle in focus. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is February 25th, 2026, and Bitcoin is trading around 66,000 USD. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Bitcoin's current cycle structure, what it tells us about the market, and why time matters more than price when it comes to predicting tops and bottoms. Make sure you watch until the end, because this update is crucial for anyone following Bitcoin cycles in 2026. Section 1. Context and key cycle levels. Let's start with the big picture. Bitcoin is currently in the fourth 80-day subcycle of the second 40-week cycle, which itself is part of the third 18-month cycle. If you've been following the channel, you know that time is the ultimate anchor, not price. The fourth 80-day subcycle started on November 21st, 2025. As of today, we are on day 97, which is slightly beyond the historical upper range of 85 to 96 days for this subcycle. Price peaked at $94,652 during this 80-day subcycle, and has now retraced to $66,000, which aligns with the expected time-based bottom window for this subcycle. Section 2. Time clusters explained. Many traders focus solely on price, but that's where most mistakes happen. In Hurst cycle theory, time clusters define the real probability zones for tops and bottoms. Top time clusters mark periods when subcycles or larger cycles are likely to peak. Bottom time clusters mark periods when cycles align for structural lows. Right now, we are in a critical time cluster for the subcycle bottom, which also coincides with the tail end of the 40-week cycle. This means that even if the price moves up or down sharply, the cycle alignment suggests a structural low is forming. Remember, price can be manipulated, time cannot. If you trade without considering the time cluster, you are purely gambling with emotions. Section 3. What to expect next. So what does this mean for the next weeks? Based on historical patterns in our current cycle alignment, 1. The fourth 80-day subcycle is likely to close very soon, triggering the start of the third 18-month cycle. 2. This new 18-month cycle will probably set the stage for higher tops in May to July 2026, when multiple cycles converge. In the short term, Bitcoin may see some volatility, but any downward moves are likely temporary within the context of the cycle bottom window. For traders and investors, this is a time to observe and prepare, not chase price. If you're using stop losses or planning entries, align them with time clusters, not just previous highs or lows. Conclusion and call to action. To sum up, Bitcoin at 66,000 USD is in a time-sensitive structural zone. The fourth 80-day subcycle is closing, the 40-week cycle is aligning, and the third 18-month cycle is about to begin. Understanding time over price is what separates disciplined traders from emotional traders. If you want to stay updated on Bitcoin cycles and avoid the pitfalls of trading emotion, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Every update is based on objective cycle analysis, not hype. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next cycle update.